Welcome to a new chapter in analog performance. In this video, we dive deep into the Gunther Werks F-26, a machine that doesn't just pay homage to the legendary Porsche 993, it redefines it. This isn't a Restomod, it's a resurrection, a reinterpretation, a revolution. Crafted almost entirely from carbon fiber, it delivers cutting-edge aerodynamics, track-honed handling, and bespoke interiors, limited to just 26 examples worldwide. Engine. At the heart of the F-26 Slantnose lies a twin-turbocharged 4-liter Porsche Mezger Flat 6, co-developed with Rothsport Racing to deliver an astonishing 1000 horsepower and 750 pound-foot of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a reinforced 6-speed manual transmission with the engine optimized for high-octane ethanol. Advanced features include adaptive fuel mapping, a motorsport-inspired flat fan cooling layout, water-to-air charge cooling, and a 935-style exhaust with exposed external wastegates. Oversight comes from a custom-programmed Motec ECU. Interior. Gunther Werks combines exposed carbon fiber, alcantara, and bespoke leather upholstery. Despite its motorsport spirit, the F-26 retains modern convenience with a Porsche Classic infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay. At just 1,225 kg, it delivers blistering performance without compromise.